Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about an example for PDA. So we have to construct a PDA for a to the power n, b to the power 2n such that n is greater than or equal to 1 by final state. So the set of strings accepted by this language is a double b, double a 4 b's, etc. So the concept is we can push number of a's onto the stack. Then and here we need to match 1A for 2 B's, right? So for the first B, don't do any operation on the stack. No change in stack should be performed. For the second B, we have to pop 1A from the stack, right? So A, B, 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 B means 2 A's are pushed onto the stack. Then for B, no change in A, no change in stack should be performed. For the second B, we have to pop 1A. Then for the next B, no change operation. Then for the last B, next B, we have to perform pop operation. So now the input string is fully consumed. So for the epsilon, if the top of the stack is Z0, then we can find that the input string has n number of A's followed by 2n number of B's. So now we will start doing this problem. So delta Q naught comma, assume that Q naught is a start state. We will write string and stack here. So Q naught, current input is A and top of the stack is Z0. Means we have to remain in the same state and we need to perform push operation, right? So A must be pushed onto the stack. So that should be represented by A Z0. Okay, Z0 replaces Z0, A is pushed onto the stack. So now the next symbol is A. We are in state Q0. Next input symbol is A and top of the stack is A. So we should remain in the same state Q0 and we have to push another A also onto the stack. So one A should replace A on top of the stack. Another A must be pushed onto the stack. So this can be represented in a diagram. So start from Q0 to Q0. A is the input, Z0 is the top of the stack, A Z0. Then A comma A. Next input is B and we are in state Q0. So delta Q0 comma input symbol B and the top of the stack is A. So now as I already told, we should not do any operation on the stack, but we have to move to the next state Q1. So state should be changed to Q1 and no operation on the stack means we need to write the same symbol here. So A should be written here. So state change to Q1, no change in B, no change in A. Okay. So here Q0 to Q1. From Q0 to Q1, the H must be labeled by B comma A slash A. Then Q1 is the current state and the next input is A and here I have written 5 B's, sorry, only 4 B's. So the next input is B and the top of the stack is A. So now we need to change our state to Q2 and 1A, the pop operation must be performed, right? So that should be written like epsilon. The meaning is epsilon replaces A on top of the stack. So pop the stack is performed. So Q1 to Q2 B comma A slash epsilon. Okay, so for the first B, for all A's in the input, we should remain in the same state and all A's are pushed onto the stack. For the first B, no change in stack is performed and we go to the state Q1. For the second B, we go to the state Q2, right? For the third B, that is again odd number of B. For the third B, we should go to Q1, state Q1, right? Then only again for the second, for the fourth B, for the even number of B, we can go to the state Q2. So for odd number of B's, we should be in the state Q1, and for even number of B's, we should be in the same in the state Q2, right? So from Q0, if we see first B, we have to change our state to Q1, and for the second B, that is even number of B, pop operation is performed. Here for odd number of B, no change operation is performed, but for the even B, we have to pop 1A from the stack. So we should change our state from Q1 to Q2. Now we are in state Q2, and the next input is B. Okay, top of the stack is A. Means we have to go to the previous state because it is repeatedly performed. So Q1 comma no change operation. No change means we have to write A here. So Q2 to Q1, the edge is labeled by B comma A slash A. Okay. So now what is current state? Q1. Q1 is a current state and B is the next input, right? So Q1 is a current state, B is the next input, top of the stack is A. Top of the stack is A. Means we should go to state Q2 and A is popped. So this is performed. Okay. So now we are reading epsilon and we are in state Q2, right? We are in state Q2. So in state Q2, if epsilon is the input and top of the stack is Z0, means we can go to the final state Q3 and we need to construct the PDA by entering into the final state. So there is no need to pop this Z0. Okay, if by empty stack is given, here just write epsilon. Okay, so now Q2 to Q3 and Q3 is a final state. The edge is labeled by epsilon comma Z0 slash Z0. So now we can write the 7-tuple notation. PDA P is equal to set of states Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Input symbols A, B and stack symbols Z0 and A. Transition function delta that we have written as a list as well as diagram. So delta and start state Q0, starting stack symbol Z0 and the final state is Q3. So this is the PDA for A to the power n, B to the power 2n. Thank you.